Well, hello everybody. Steve Tristan here with Steve Tristan's Best. I'm here also for bestcustomscreens.com. So today I would like to take a look online to see who actually sells an 8-foot sliding screen door or 96 inch, 95 inch, 94 inch, whatever size you guys measure to, and to see which company you can go to purchase your 8-foot tall or high sliding screen door. Okay. So I'm going to first start with a search of 8-foot sliding screen door. And the first thing that comes up are all the shopping areas. You have um, Home Depot here. So I'm going to click that. And if you click Home Depot, you'll see right away that's a 36 by 80. If I clicked on the Home Depot site to right click and search for an 8-foot or sliding screen door, 8-foot or 96-inch sliding screen door, close that. This is a 30-inch width. Okay. They have a 36 by 40, sorry, 30 by 80, 36 by 80, and 48 by 80. Okay. If I go to screen doors, they have sliding. Let's see what sizes they carry. So you have by 80 by 80 by 80. This is kit. Yep, they don't carry any 8-foots. Okay. Let's check out Lowe's. That doesn't look like a sliding screen door. Is this sliding screen door curtain screen door? I don't know what that means. Let's see here. I click it. This is a 72 by 80 white sliding double screen door. So it has two, and it's a double screen door, but it's not 8-foot. Okay, I'm going to go back here. Screen doors. Let's click. Okay, sliding patio screen doors. Let's click that. So give us all the sliding screen doors. By 80, by 77. Doesn't look like any of them carry an 8-foot. So, okay. And then let's scroll down. Home Depot we did. Quality screen doors. So quality window screen. Let's take a look. Classic. These are kits. Now I'll give them the benefit of the doubt. I know that they do carry it. So I'm going to go to the classic sliding screen door here. If you select width in inches, height in inches, they only carry up to 80 inches, okay, fully assembled, but they do not carry up to 96 inches or 8-foot. Okay, I got to back up. All right, so all these here. Amazon. So let's go. That's a KD kit. So Amazon, I know for a fact Amazon only carries kits. There's no fully assembled screen doors there. Then Best Custom Screens comes up, which is awesome. If you go into Best Custom Screens, it shows all the 8-foot options for fully assembled as well as kits. Okay. Go back. Metro Screenworks is here. Metro Screenworks is good. They have a good product as well. They go up to 60 inches wide, 82 inches tall. Okay, so they do not carry an 8-foot sliding screen door. And they only do, I know, is through kit. And then, yeah, pretty much looks like the only place that we can get a fully assembled sliding screen door is going to be bestcustomscreens.com. Let's go ahead and just double check right screen here. They also only carry a kit. Okay, so moving forward. Before we move forward, please give this video a thumbs up. I'm also going to check here. We have affordable window screens. Check that. They do carry up to 65-inch width, and they do carry up to 96, but it's a kit. sliding screen door kit. Okay. Then we have Anderson windows, which I believe is only specific to their size, 35.5 by 80 and 7/16. It's fully assembled, but it's only specific to their own product, meaning their own window or sliding glass door. Okay, CRL. Well, this already says it's a kit. Okay. Blind and screen does carry 48 by 94 as well as 36 and whatnot. Um, just please note that Blind and Screen does get their screen doors from bestcustomscreens.com. Okay, and then we have Shade Screen Solutions here. Let me open that up here. Custom sliding screen doors, fully assembled, unassembled. Go to drop down menu and it only offers unassembled. It does not offer fully assembled. So I believe that this information is false. Having fully assembled here, they should remove that from their website. I hope that Google catches that so they can, obviously not have any false information online. It's not good. And then you have Metro ScreenWorks. Oops, let me go back because I didn't right click it. There we go, Metro ScreenWorks. We've got, wrong one, where'd it go? There it is, okay. It actually jumped me to retractables, but we do know they carry sliding screen doors. So let's find their sliding screen doors. Here it is, screen doors, assembled sliding screen doors. So they do carry assembled, okay. Let's go to the classic here. See what they carry. They go up to 60-inch width, height only up to 82 inches. So it's awesome they're able to ship a 60 by 82, but they're not going up to 96 inches or 8 foot. Now let me go back. Superior, Hercules. I'm going to skip the Superior because it's going to be almost the same, but I just want to double check to see if their larger one for some reason will carry a 60 by 96. Oh, it's only up to 82. So there's a limitation there. I'm sure it has to do with the shipping. And then let's go back here. Okay. So we took the Home Depot already. All of these you can see, are either kits or retractables. Okay. And that was page 1. Let me go to page 2. Screen Mobile, that's a spawn. They'll come to you for a premium, and they'll basically make your screen door right there. But like I said, it's a premium. You're going to pay quite a bit of money for that. Home Depot, we did that one. We did Metro already. So here's the classic assembled that shows when it comes to the search. Portable window screens we did. Wayfair, I think we did, but Wayfair, if we notice, it only has retractables, security screen doors, swinging screen doors, but it doesn't carry any sliding screen doors here. Okay. And then this was a forum, and this forum basically is asking where can I find it, and I looked, and it doesn't look like anybody really answered anything good for this person. So I'm going to go back and hopefully help them find a 8-foot sliding screen door. We have some images here. This is measuring guide. So page 2. I'm going to page 3 now. Okay, so I'm on the 3rd page now. I have YouTube. Oh wow, this is funny. Steve Tristan's best sliding screen doors. That's awesome. Let's go here. What is it? What is it? Which video is it? Okay, so it talks about the 8-foot sliding screen door. Check out this video. It says why Home Depot or Lowe's doesn't have my sliding screen door. It was a time when I went from store to store and tried to find an 8-foot sliding screen door at the time, and they couldn't have it. All the rest here are also about sliding screen doors. Check us out on Steve Tristan's Best. Okay, so reflect window and door. Let's check this out. That's a reflect window and door sliding screen. Okay, aluminum track, sliding screen and patio door. Uh, 8 foot length. It looks like this is just for the track. Do these guys carry sliding screen doors? It's more like a window supply company. Okay. Screen type, durable sliding screen doors. Screen height. We have screen doors. Let's see. Sliding screen doors. Um, yeah, they make their brand, I guess, or maybe an installation company. I'm not sure um, where to buy. Okay, it's a brand, so you can buy online. It says here where from. Okay, so it has some of the brands that you can buy from here, including Home Depot, Lowe's, Metro. I don't believe any of these people are going to be able to carry. Obviously, we've proven that they can. They don't carry a 96-inch. So phantom screens. That's like we said, is a retractable screen house. Obviously, that's a different type of site. The spruce. That is a blog. Improvement stack exchange. Okay, so there's no more products or no more sites that actually show that there is a um, any sliding screen doors. I know that Google is trying to have a more detailed way of doing AI overviews as well as the search. I'm going to go ahead and try AI as well. Why not, right? So I'm going to go back to Google. Let's try AI overview. I'm going to go to AI mode and I'm going to say, where can I buy a sliding screen door, 8 foot, fully assembled online? And what's it going to say? Number one, Best Custom Screens. They're an online company specializing in custom screen doors, including oversized and 8 foot. Wow, that's good to see. San Fernando screen doors, custom window screens, and more. These businesses appear to be associated with Best Custom Screens, sharing the same phone number and website. They also provide a site. Okay, those are local listings for the local area in Los Angeles where our installers are. We only install it in Las Vegas as well as Los Angeles. So Home Depot, right screen. It's not saying it's specific, and then blind end screen also. So the AI is showing exactly what we discovered. I could have just went to AI and asked it. So anyhow, guys, I hope you liked the video. Do me a favor and give this video a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, do so now. And select that little bell. The alert notifications will come to you. And if you have any comments you'd like to put down below, please do so. Make sure you visit bestcustomscreens.com for your 8 foot sliding screen doors. And continue to watch our videos at Steve Tristan's Best. And we have some more coming out. Okay, thank you very much, guys. Take care. God bless, and catch you next time. See ya.